products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Kenmore Hammond. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is an okay choice for those on a budget. It excels at heat distribution thanks to its 1.8mm carbon steel construction. This 14-inch flat-bottom design combines traditional wok functionality with modern stovetop compatibility. The carbon steel material ensures rapid and even heating across the cooking surface, while requiring minimal oil for cooking. The pre-seasoned non-stick coating enhances the natural non-stick properties of carbon steel and makes maintenance easier. At 6 pounds, it offers substantial heft for stability during cooking. The ergonomic acacia wood handles stay cool during use and provide a secure grip. The 6.4-inch depth allows for ample cooking space, making it suitable for stir-frying, deep-frying, and steaming. The flat-bottom design sits securely on any cooking surface, while the curved sides facilitate traditional wok cooking techniques. At 19.4 inches in total length, it provides good reach for safe handling during high-heat cooking.